Alright, market is about to open in 25 minutes. And I'm not in short, but it was really good. There was a really good short, a 1 to 8 risk reward with sell side here. It was like using the ABS strategy, the what is this even called? The anticipatory breaker strategy, which is a breaker, a low, high, lower, low, and then you anticipate a higher high. You anticipate this to become a breaker. This becomes buy side liquidity. We inverse the singular fair value gap. We do that there, but there was no confidence really. We took out sell side here, but what I have marked out is equilibrium of this range, which is this daily here to this daily there. I don't even have to see it, but there's like maybe a 3-day, or like this 3-day. You have a singular high, a singular low with singular swing high, and then you have imbalance right here. So from this high to this low, that's equilibrium, and I want to see price go to equilibrium. Basically what I saw was price had this ABS right here, so the people in Discord maybe thought that this was going to be a setup here, but reacted off of nothing. So that basically we did the same thing here, which was here. So this order block marked out. So there was when market closed, we were like right here somewhere, right here, and we had the ABS right here as well. So we had an inversion here, we had a swing high here, we had a swing low here, and a swing low here, swing high here, swing low, and we anticipate that this becomes buy side. But we reacted off of nothing really. We swept sell side here, we swept sell side here with a tick, or like a few ticks right there, as you can see right here. We swept it right there, but really it isn't really logical that we react off there and then because this looks pretty good. So we have 2.5 standard deviation right here lining up with this. Maybe this becomes even better, and we go to the highs right there, but it doesn't make sense because we react off of like a random low right here. We first want to go to discount, which is right here. So yeah, this setup wasn't valid. Same as here on the 30-minute. Setup wasn't valid here. We swept sell side, we had the singular fair value gap, we close above it, but it doesn't really make sense because we react off nothing. So I want to see equilibrium first, but yeah, there is a lot of news today, so I'll be trading after 10 a.m. We have PMI, we have JOLTS, and we have FOMC meeting minutes, so I'll be trading after 10, like 5 minutes after 10. I don't even know, when the market looks good and I see a good setup. But yeah, we could do, I don't know what we're gonna do, but I want to see us go to equilibrium first. And what I said to Aiden, which he never sees, but let's go to the Discord. Right here. And we go to Aiden, and weekly target NQ, which would be buy side liquidity, which would be all-time highs. And then this on this on the daily chart, and I have equilibrium right here, and that's a weekly fair value gap, but we could just see through it. We have this equilibrium right here, and then what I said was we're in a monthly order block right now, which is right here. So you have this candle right here. We go right here. We have a order block right here, mean threshold. We close like above it with like a few ticks. I don't really know if that's indicating that we're bullish, but I do want to see all-time highs, like I don't know, between a month and now, I don't even know, but react off this order block, mean threshold. So what I said was we're in a monthly order block. I want to see how we react. We soup this drawn liquidity, which we already souped. I wasn't actually expecting that right here. There was this low. That was my drawn liquidity. But we already sweat that in Monday, Tuesday, even though we had Monday with a bank holiday, like everyone had a bank holiday, but we swept that on Tuesday. So Tuesday was a pretty pretty volatile day, which was, yeah, this whole day was Tuesday, this right here. Right, we sweat that. I want to see when we react. Do we soup this drawn liquidity, tap into equilibrium, and then take all-time highs? Do we go further down into, oh wait, and then take all-time highs, or do we go further down into monthly for value gap? And I was saying that do we tap into equilibrium, then go for all-time highs right there and right there, or do we go for the monthly order block, which would be right here, monthly for value gap, sorry, which would be right here, which would be these lows, which if I take everything back here, which would be these lows, which would line up with the standard deviation from this breaker, high, low, standard deviation right there, and then yeah, wait, where's the equilibrium? Let's lock that. All right, that's good, right? Yeah, all right. So standard deviation lines up with this. I do think actually we're gonna sweep that low because we're in a monthly order block right now. So a monthly order block means we're gonna tap into a monthly PD array, probably a monthly internal. But yeah, first I'm waiting for us to tap back into equilibrium of this range, which would be an easy target if we look at like the monthly equilibrium would be here to here. This is monthly equilibrium with the monthly for value gap. That's monthly equilibrium. This is only not even weekly equilibrium. This is like a 2-3 day equilibrium. So that's like an easy target, which I want to see, which equilibrium as well. So yeah, really actually would have been a really nice short. So yeah, if I did take that short, but I'm not trading until after 10 a.m. Because of news. So no trades after or before 10 a.m. Only after 10 a.m. So so yeah, we close above right here, but we tap into this order block right here, this half-hour order block. It actually is. And why isn't it this candle? Because this candle has the imbalance. Because these consecutive candles have higher volume, and it would still have this imbalance right here. So I'll take it not from here to here. I will take it from here to there. Which, if you don't believe me, if you don't believe me that this is the actual order block, you do think that like these bodies are like the order block. Well, if I take the quadrant from here, a 0.25 quadrant right there, taps into it perfectly, then goes lower. So yeah, that is my order block right there. So mean threshold, we have it there. I still want to see us go lower, so I could just, no, I won't delete it, but so we tap into the order block, and I wasn't looking for this to be support and then go higher. I was looking for us to trade through this. So when I saw that we were creating a breaker here, so we have a high, low, higher high, and I was expecting a lower low. I was using the ABS strategy right here. We have a for value gap right here. We have a really small for value gap right here. So I was looking for a singular for value gap, which wouldn't be here. I think on the 3 minute there wasn't actually. Yeah, there wasn't even a 3 minute. So we go to like a, I don't even know, like a, I messed on Discord. We go to like a, I don't know, to a like 150 second chart, which I can't even do, but I was expecting this to be my breaker. So if I take it to here, I take my standard deviation from there to there, and that gives me this low 2 to 2.5 standard deviation. If you look at this as well, I'm seeing it now, not that I saw it before, but seeing it now. Equilibrium of this standard deviation, which would be 2.25 standard deviation, which lines up perfectly, and that's just beautiful. We hit the target, by the way, didn't even see that, but that would be a 1 to 8 risk reward trade, which would be crazy actually. I'm actually on a 100k, not a actual funded, but a 100k demo funded, you could say, to prepare myself for the actual funded that I'm gonna be buying. I'm gonna buy a 100k, not a 50k. I'm gonna buy a 100k. Why is that? Because I want to trade on the NQ chart, and I don't want to trade on the MNQ chart, because this chart is somewhat different between this and the actual NQ chart. If I look at like right here, yeah, we tapped that perfectly actually there as well. But yeah, it's somewhat different. I like 2 weeks ago I saw something that was like totally different from NQ, which would give me like a really wrong bias. So I want to trade only NQ. So yeah, that's why. So I'll be buying a 100k challenge on Top Step. But yeah, this was actually a beautiful trade actually. And then this would be my breaker. And then my entry would be, this looks actually way cleaner, this for value gap. But we look for like everything to be a single for value gap. And only 1 minute there was a single for value gap. So why go to the 2 minute? That looks cleaner, yes, but only 1 minute we have a single for value gap, and then 2 minute have a single for value gap. So why we go to the 2 minute if there is a single for value gap only 1 minute already? So this would be your limit order right there in this value gap, this CB. Should be right here, here, oops, CB here. Stop it above the order block, which actually would be a 2 minute order block here. And why is it a 2 minute order block and not like a 1 minute order block? Why I go to the highest time frame, which has like the highest volume order block. Only 3 minutes there is a imbalance right here, but we go over this imbalance, so this wouldn't be a valid order block. Only 2 minutes it would be. So I would see this 2 minute as a valid order block. Let's see. It's just insane. 0.25 quadrant of this whole candle, not the bodies. Yeah, you could say the body as well. 25, but I'm using always using the full candle, which be 0.25. But yeah, my stop was above right here. I'm not gonna say that I was at this here. I was having it above this 1 minute, which actually the best one would be above the 2 minute, but still. And then where would I target? Well, this would be a really nice target because it's already 1 and 2. But really this was the target because it lines up with the standard deviation. That's all really. There's no further explanation. Like everything around this trade would be because it lines up with the -2 and -2.5 standard deviation, nothing else. So yeah, that would be a really nice trade actually, but I didn't take it because I'm only trading after 10. So yeah. Let's mark out market open. Should be right here. I don't know if I should have this like, nah, looks worse. I just have it on a black vertical line. Oh, I have here as well. I didn't trade London session. I wasn't awake by then, so. So yeah, there is a lot of buy side liquidity right here. But I wouldn't say we go there because there's like probably an order block right here now. We have this 2 hour order block, so I won't say, I can even delete this. So we won't go past here. On the 4 hour probably as well, market will open in like 40 minutes. Yeah, we still could fill up this entire imbalance, but I would say we wouldn't close above this here as well. Oh, which is like the same as 2 hour, yeah. So that doesn't matter, but yeah, drawn liquidity will be equilibrium. And where would the Judas swing go? Well, let's look. 30 minute order block right here. Could delete this. So let's look. Where would the Judas swing go? Oh, we swept buy side here, or sell side here, sorry. Alright, we tap into, look, I'm going to like a lower time for now because I see a singular for value gap here in the 50 minute, but I see a singular for value gap in the 10 minute as well. So I go to 5 minutes. I see there's one here, one there. So I go like to the 10 minute because it's lower than the 50 minute time frame. I'll mark out my CB here. Alright, so we tap into this city, and let's see what we do here. So yeah, where would our Judas swing be? Well, we of course would anticipate our Judas swing to be in the opposite direction. If this is our bias, which is equilibrium, then I would anticipate our Judas swing going to a high, which would be actually these highs. We haven't tapped, yeah, damn, really, probably this right here. If we look, then we have our order block right here, and we have a untapped mean threshold, so we could go as far as a mean threshold. So what I'm thinking now is we have buy side here, we have buy side here, which would be relative equal highs, and you could like set a limit of order above there, but I never do that. But yeah, I would anticipate our Judas swing to go above this high or above these highs, and I want to see this actually get left. This liquidity, I want to see us react here. I don't want to see us go through this low, because then I just want to see this get built up, to be built up liquidity. So we have liquidity here, we have liquidity here. So yeah, that's what I want to see. And yeah, I would just use this sell side actually purge and reverse right here. So yeah, I would mark out that. So yeah, we tap into the rejection block. See if there's like a cleaner rejection block. I would say the 5 minutes, which is like actually the same. And we step into the first quadrants, and this probably would be a really nice trade as well. Let's see. Yeah, I would anticipate this to go for us to go to buy side now. We have a rejection block here now, so you could have like, that's like crazy, but I wouldn't do that. So yeah, yeah, that's basically it. Look for a single reversal gap, which we don't have, but yeah, I wouldn't anticipate the Judas swing to go to, yeah, we have equal highs right here. Let's look at like NQ or ES. If those are equal highs on ES as well, which is right here. Yeah, on ES we have, we didn't take out that high. On NQ we didn't take out that high, so these are ES equal highs. So yeah, I want to anticipate the Judas swing to go to here, here, stop here, tap maybe the mean threshold, maybe go a bit further. I wouldn't say we go above here. Yeah, which will also make us step into a rejection block right here in the 30-minute. So I could just mark this out right there, and this would be our rejection block as well. And then let's mark out the quadrants on the rejection block. Yeah, maybe like this high, but that's like, I wouldn't even have this rejection block there. But yeah, we could tap into mean threshold, maybe tap with like a tick into the mean threshold, and we tap into with it like a tick into the rejection block. But I'll just have it here to make it look cleaner. Yeah, but I don't want to see us go below this. I want to see build up liquidity here. Yeah, I want to see us build up liquidity here. That's what I meant. And it's perfect actually. Yeah, because we're already tapped into the first quadrant. So yeah. And there's probably like a setup right here. If we go to like a seconds chart, there's like maybe like a breaker here or somewhere here. And then this would be the ABS, like this would be the swing high, and then maybe there, I don't know, on like a seconds chart or something. But yeah, market opens in 5 minutes, but won't take any trades until 10 a.m. I don't know if you guys hear the music, by the way. It's like classic music on. Yeah, I want to see us our Judas swing. I want to see us open and have our Judas swing go to, like, people say it will go to the moon. That's when I see like really big Judo swing, we're like, wow, we're not stopping. Like, wow, that means that, yeah, this is our Judo swing. Because I had that before, like, damn, like, this can't be our Judo swing anymore. This is we're just going right now, and then I would be the person that was caught in the Judo swing, and then I would be used as liquidity, and then yeah. But yeah, I would anticipate this equilibrium, and I could just mark this out as well. Wait, did we take out that on? Yes. Yeah, I want to do it like you guys can see it as well, but you guys won't be able to. Yeah, we never took out that. Oh, and yes, we have all. We have on yes, we have like lows. Oh yeah, that's fine. All right. So yeah, we didn't take out this. So yeah, I could mark this out as sell side. But yeah, still this my target equilibrium. Yeah. Equilibrium is still my target. Let's zoom in into like a Varai gap. Yeah, somewhere here. Just equilibrium, this line, that's just my target, like nothing else, like no low or just this equilibrium. I won't look at any lows. Let's make sure our equilibrium is placed right. Boop. Yeah, it is. So let's lock it. Now we know for sure. Now let's have this. All right, market opens in 2 minutes. And we have this SIBI. We could just remove that SIBI. Yeah, right. Yeah, what could be my market open? Like white or... Oh wait, maybe this looks cleaner. I don't know what looks clean. Like what? I guess white. I guess white could be market open. Green. Oh. Big. Yeah, I'll just have it like pink. Oh, that's not the right one. Market open, and unlike my lunch hour, I never use that, but all right, market open is pink. All right, so market open is... All right, let's hopefully wick this. Market opened. Let's hopefully wick this and then shoot to the upside. Hopefully we don't go lower than this, because this wouldn't be our Judo swing. The Judo swing is the actual candles that go up, like we actually go up, and not just the wick. Hopefully we can create a big wick here, and then shoot up, just go up. Yeah, all right. All right. Hopefully we won't go past here. All right, so this would be our turtle soup. Yeah. All right, so I don't want to see us go past. Actually, here. All right, good. All right. Yeah, so actually, let's say enter like right there. Be really nice, actually. Someday. Alright, I want to see push up. Yeah, this. Alright, yeah, we did tap into main threshold or constant encroachment. Sorry, I see. Let's mark out sell side liquidity here so we could see it. Yeah, I want to see us go through buy side. It's just marked out, but I want to see us go through here, and then through here, stop here, or stop here. I don't know. But I don't want to see us go lower than this because I want to see a Judas swing. And yeah, news. Actually, news, yeah, I don't know. Maybe on news we even sweep this order block high, and then we turn to sweep that order block high, and then we go lower. That could be like, I don't know. That could be something as well. We'll see what happens. Oh no! All right, we went lower. So where could our Judas swing be? Our Judas swing could be all the way to the low, to equilibrium, and our Judas swing could be to the highs. That could be our Judas swing. Because I'm opposite of what the market is doing in like the first 10 minutes, 50 minutes. And this sell side, I want to see us go through this sell side as well. Yeah, I would say this would be our Judas swing. I don't want to see us go lower all the way to equilibrium. And then where could we go? We could go back to highs, do some highs. Yeah, that's actually, I would say we go back to the highs, sorry. Because this is definitely our target, probably. Alright, let's see what market wants to do. Let's remove that. Wait, do I have enough space for this recording? Yeah, it's fine. I think. How much is it already? I can't see that. Yeah. I was Aiden did a premium, like a premium trial. I actually took a video of all of everything he has, which I could study if I was out of the premium trial. And then ICT, these are like important ICT expansion, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, expansion. This is my background on my phone. AMD 12 to 13 launch hour macro. Yeah, so my future. ICT kill zones, change in the state of delivery. A change in state of delivery has to occur to create an order block. This change in state of delivery is trading above or below the final or down candle's opening price, turning high frequency algorithms into favoring a certain liquidity. The Dutch. Right. Oh. That's like, I don't know. Yeah, our Judas swing could still be, if we go to the buy side here, then I would still see this as Judas swing, but we're already 6 minutes in, so like 4 more minutes or like 9 more minutes. Where's that? From here to here. Yeah, in 9 minutes I wouldn't say we go here. In 9 minutes I would say we're here. Now we could just leave this. It's cleaner. I want to see us go up more. Yeah, if we rig up here. Tap die voor rig up. External, internal, external, external. I want to see us go to buy side here. I don't know if this shit is copyrighted, by the way. These classic, famous piano songs. It's FNQ or yes, open. Let's mark out. Mark it open there. All right. And even news could be out through the swing.
And this was one of the beaches to the left of the hotel, which was gorgeous, and it had loads of cats on it. So obviously we fed them the all-inclusive food. This was another one of the hotel's schools, and it also had a spa section.
I'm looking at a vacation TikTok my girlfriend sent me because we're going on. We're still deciding where we're gonna go on vacation.
This was one of the hotel's restaurants. They had like the beach, so cute. Oh, and here's another cat we found while playing tennis. We also got a free spa day with our ticket, and this was one of the massage rooms. It was so peaceful, absolute heaven. There was also a beach party on the beach opposite the hotel, a little bit of volleyball, a little barbecue going, a mini foam party, I think for the kids, but obviously everyone joined in. And then right next to this was like a huge water sports store, and we did some jet skiing. We also did this, which was insane, but I would highly recommend it no matter how scared you are. It is honestly the best. The hotel also had a Michael Jackson tribute one, who was really good, and I absolutely loved it. I think it was like my highlight of the holiday. We also got to have dinner overlooking the beach some nights, which was gorgeous, and this lady was dancing there. We wanted to do a boat trip as well, and somehow got absolutely scammed into doing this pirate ship trip thing, which was absolutely horrendous. I had to stand on a man's face in a bed of swords. It was just awful. But we made the most of it, and definitely a memory for life. One of the coolest things I've done for the 2-day adventure, and the whole experience cost me £100. So my journey starts from Hammond Venezia at 4 a.m. Yes, guys, this is not a trip for those that love their sleep. Our first stop was El Gem. It's the third biggest amphitheatre in the world, and it's so much better preserved than the Roman Museum. You can explore the whole amphitheatre, including underground and all around. We continue our journey traveling further south, and you can see the landscape begin to change. Our next destination is a village called Matmata. Guys, it was so hot. Hashtag pilot of sweat. Matmata is famous for their people who live in traditional underground houses to keep them cool in the summer and warm in winter. We were lucky enough to be invited into a family's home to see how they live.
I already took by side there, which is what I said or what I marked out with this boom, with this trade mock-up. And I would see us go to by side here, which would be our still be our Judas wing, which what I said. Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous scenes. After a very long day, we arrived at
I want to see us go higher. Yeah, I want to see the Judas wing go higher. Actually, might. I got a new monitor, and I don't really like the colors. All right, good. Good. All right, good. Let's see us go higher. All right, so this was Birch and Revert, and then thought that this was gonna be our turtle soup, and then this was our turtle soup, and then what I said was this: there's like a smaller time frame breaker probably, which would take us to this high as well, and then this Ferrari gap, which would take us to this high as well. And then from here, I want to see us go down because we have equilibrium. Sell side. Oops. Sell side. Equal lows. All right. Oh, I duplicated this. Right. Yeah, let's see us go higher. Rejection block, mean threshold, constant encroachment. Take us to this high. Rejection block. It's just beautiful. Or is it? It isn't. It isn't beautiful. Now, let's see us go higher still. Maybe news could tap us into this buy side. If I look at like price action from um this compared to ES, we have like 10 SMTs in here. That's too much, but let's count them. We have one here. We have um. All right, yeah. We have one. We have two. We have we have three. We have like four. I don't know. Five. Yeah, I still want to see us go higher. I'll no, I won't pause it. I'll just wait. All right, we go higher. Not really watching the chart. It doesn't matter now. Oh, YouTube, Fortnite. Yeah, you need to think as a trader. How much is my funded? Ooh, Ash. Oh, what? Wait, why is backtesting? Mm-mm-mm-mm. No, I don't want to watch this one. It's just crazy, man. Bro, I want to see them race. Just a Mercedes. Just kidding. No, it's not counting. Alright, now we're just actually building up low resistance liquidity or trendline liquidity. Trendline liquidity. Really curious what news is gonna bring. I want to see news actually respect his order block, but yeah, we could do turtle soup his order block high. That could be possible as well. Yeah, a singular for fake up there. Only 30 minutes, yes, so we could turtle soup this high. We could tap into this imbalance. Which actually, let's mark this Sibi out then. Sibi. Then let's look. And then we have this 2-hour order block, which actually probably would be a 7 minute, or in 7 minutes that would be our 4-hour order block as well. So let's say we don't go past here. Let's mark out mean threshold of this order block. So yeah, what we could do is we could sweep by side, sweep it out. That's just too much actually. Like news wouldn't bring us all the way right here. It's just, what is it? BMI jolts. What was it previous? Forecast. And then no, it's not really that much difference. What is this actually was? Or was it? Oh wait, can I remove that? All right, so this was actual. When was this? December. Where could you see when previous? 5 December. That was actually a lot different. So 5 December, 10 as well, right? Let's look at that. Where is it? Alright, so this is just this push to the upside, and it actually was a lot. So I wouldn't expect us actually to take out this order block high. That would be too much actually. So I'll just remove that. Alright. Actually took that as well. 1-8. Nice. His stop was even tighter. Even more tight. I have my stop there. Yeah, his stop above this. Where actually were? I don't even know. I think that this was a random stop, like above that high. And he put a standard deviation from where? This high to this low? I don't even know. But yeah, that's beautiful, huh? Oh, no, actually, he took the same standard deviation. He took it from here to here as well. Oh, wait. Where was it? Here. Here to here, and then projection, and yeah. He took the same standard deviation. Yeah, beautiful, bro. He actually took it. That's beautiful, but yeah. The rules are don't trade after high impact. Yeah, I saw that setup as well. That's beautiful. Yeah, let's see what you do. Yeah, I really want to see us go to buy side here. I want to see this get left, and I want to see look for a setup here, and I want to take a short somewhere here. Four more minutes. What do we do? What do we do? This will kill the time. Alright, we're going lower. I'm looking at ES, chart on ES on the right side. My second monitor, and we're going down a lot. So that could be actually the swing to news. So yeah, let's see what we do. Was it this one as well? Yeah. Alright, this one is easy. Oof. 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh, what's this? Damn. 2 more minutes. Sorry, counting, yeah. Alright, so yeah. We're back into this range. We're accumulating. We're gonna manipulate and we're gonna distribute. Yeah, that's actually what I want to see though. Alright, so we do have a anticipatory breaker here as well. We have a swing low, swing high, swing low. This would be a breaker, which would be buy side. If we inverse this, then a nice trade would form here. Stop beneath here, or bodies of this candle. I'll just put it here, they're relative equal, or I'll just put it there. If we close above it, then I would anticipate this breaker here, and I would anticipate this to be a turtle soup, or actually here. So here, if you do close above it, but yeah, there's news dropping. So let's see. All right. Let's see. Just counting down. Candle, just 10 seconds to close. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Alright. Yes, sir. Ice-T is probably gonna upload a video on this when we take out this buy side. He instantly, yeah, he now is short. He is now short. Probably that's what Ice-T is doing right now, and he will upload it. Alright, so we actually would get stopped out here. Alright, so we took buy side. We didn't tap main threshold actually, but I still think we could go higher. Alright, Jolts is here as well. So yeah, this was greater than forecast is good. It's good for currency. It's good. This is greater, so it's bad for the S&P. So this was bearish, and then this was bullish for the S&P because it's worse for the dollar and it's good for the S&P. So we took that there, and now we have an anticipatory breaker here. Now, all right. We actually have a if we take this low, then we have a Reaper here. If we take it like from this here, yeah, it is in discount though. So yeah, if we take out this low, then we have a Reaper on this candle here, or is it here? So then here, and then stop would be like here. then could still target equilibrium. That's only if we take this low. So this would make it a Reaper. And I'll enter on the Reaper actually. But IST probably sold it right here. Right there. When he took out this buy side, he sold. He sold right here. Probably he's gonna upload a video on it too. So let's see. I wanna enter in the Reaper. If you do make it a Reap. And I'll risk like one contract. I want to see this act as a retraction block. Yeah, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, just distribution. Still is kijk eens Jamal. Pillen. Alright, let's wait for setup. If we take out this high, then I would anticipate this to be a breaker. We have a high, we have a low, we have a higher high. Then if we close below the below that Ferrari gap, then I would short it right there. And then stop is like right there, or like right there somewhere, and then I would still target here, stop the break even, target here, and then done. But there's no Ferrari gap anymore. And then this Reaper is still not there. But yeah, we could turtle soup this one because we had this order block stay intact. We take out this buy side, turtle soup this buy side, and then we could go lower as well. We have equal lows now. It will be beautiful actually. Alright. Rejection block. Respect. Constant encroachment. But yeah, let's see what we do. Really nothing actually happening right now. Changing the state of delivery. Yeah, there's no setup here. Maybe if we create a Freddy gap, then simply I'll enter only for Freddy gap and then take these lows out, but it's not really high probability. Let's go lower, yeah. Leave this. Leave it. Leave it. Yeah, nothing really. It's gonna close this probably. Yeah, I would favor us to go to sell side. There's still a right gap here. This will be the order block. My first partial would be there. Yeah, it's like a really small right gap, so yeah, I really have nothing here. So yeah, not really a high probability setup, so I won't take it, but let's see what we do. Yeah, the only confluence actually you would have is manipulation or accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So you would be trading the power of 3 right now. Yeah, I would favor us to go to the sell side here, and here, and here. This would be our order block as well. So we have a right gap here, right gap here. So our single for right gap. Well, actually, but here, look, it's actually with a tick. Yeah, still we're just accumulating right now. Even though we had our manipulation, but there's really no setup. Like, it's really nothing actually. We do close below the rejection block, mean threshold, constant encroachment. Then I would anticipate us here. But we could just jump to this low. It's not worth it. Beautiful respect. anticipatory breaker actually right here. If we close below, you enter projection, liquidity. No liquidity, but standard deviation on the 50%. This would be a trade, but yeah, we close all the way right there. So liquidity. Oops. Not really. It's low, but not really. Alright, you take sell side now. So yeah, is literally what I said was gonna happen. Soup this, go lower, but I didn't find a setup. Ice-T definitely bought it right there. I sold it right there. Stop was right there, and definitely sold it right there. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. And I want to see us even go lower to equilibrium. But yeah, there's no setup for me. Didn't really see a setup. Just this, but look where we closed. Yeah, you could have it right there. Like, you could enter there at this stop. Nice risk reward. But yeah, I want to see us go lower to equilibrium. Let's look for like a singular provide gap, which would be this 3 minute. If we close this, then you could enter like right here. This is our breaker. It's not really a safe stop actually. Maybe a 1 minute order block. Not even. Not even order block. Yeah, maybe right there. This could be a trade. Into equilibrium. Split into quadrants. Yeah, stop is above the. Oh wait, no, it actually is. Yeah, so it could be a safe stop actually. Yeah, maybe I'll enter on there. Wait, am I hearing? All right, so yeah, maybe we will take this trade here. Let's see what we do. PR unicorn as well. Yeah, that would be. Oh, entry would be here, and then I would take it right there. All right, so we get like a small push to the upside, and I'll just go into a lower time frame. Actually, take it on a lower time frame because I'm not really liking this actually. Could be a trade, but you could zoom in and look for better entry, better risk reward. But yeah, you mark out this civvy. Let's look. Alright, so this 3 minute we don't have a singular rate gap anymore, so we wait for this 5 minute. So she would be right here, and our quadrants would be here to here. And then our breaker would be here. So we have a swing high, swing low, swing higher, swing lower low. So this actually could be an entry. We tap that breaker. We target equilibrium. That would be a better risk reward actually. Yeah, do we retrace back to there? Because there really is nothing else anymore. Yeah, if we do go back here, I will take this trade into equilibrium. Let's. Yeah, that's just beautiful. Yeah, I do want to see us retrace back up into that Sibi. Alright, if we tap equilibrium, then there's nothing else for me to trade. Only setup here after market open would be sold this turtle soup, or sold, yeah, nothing here actually, but yeah, actually only option would be to sell this turtle soup. Yeah, nothing else really. Turtle soup, power of 3, easy targets, yeah, everything you need actually. But yeah, I don't know, maybe like right here, and then stop would be word block high, and then target equilibrium. That would actually be like a really good trade, but not that far. Yeah, don't really see a setup. I'll come back to this recording if I do find a setup. If I don't, and this video ends, then thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys again. Bye. Alright, yo, actually lost the trade. That's fine. Alright, so we tapped into, so we did a retrace at this 5 minute Sibi. Actually, remove this. Alright, remove this. Alright, so we had our breaker here, and we tap into the breaker plus for a gap, so this would be actually our unicorn. So we tap into there, and I was just waiting. I said that you could like set a limit order like right here, or like tap this breaker. He didn't get tapped into, but So I said that I wanted to zoom in. So we tapped into this unicorn here, and then this was already low probability because this actually isn't a breaker because there's no swing high here. So we didn't rate any liquidity here, but we did have a swing low, swing high. But this wasn't a breaker, but we did displace through this here. So as soon as he displays through this here, inversion. Actually, don't know how much I risked. I risked like 0.5%, so that's fine. So actually market order this one, and I set my stop loss right there, and I target equilibrium. So equilibrium did get hit, but we did get stopped out. So where my stop should have been was like at this high, or at this high probably, but risk reward would be way worse. So, but yeah, still. So yeah, I got stopped out there. But yeah, the trade and the draw on liquidity was right. So yeah, this already was low probability because this wasn't a anticipatory breaker setup. But still, we inversed this. Stop was above the breaker. It was actually too aggressive. But for next time, my stop is best, but above the inverse high right there. So yeah, that would be the better stop placement right there. But draw liquidity still got hit, but it's fine taking a loss right now. And we're just accumulating right now, so that's fine as well. But yeah, that's basically it. Took a loss, but draw liquidity was right this whole time. But yeah, that's basically it. So yeah.